My name is Ivan. The name of the company is London Joinery UK Limited. I'm an office manager, quite enjoy my role here. Found it quite challenging, almost on a daily basis, in terms of the projects that we deal with. We try to position ourselves in the high-end market, so I would say that probably around 80% of our projects are domestic projects in the central London. Company started 10 years ago. It was on a much smaller scale, but I would say that 5 years ago rapidly started growing up the business. At the moment we currently employ around 30 people. That involves fitters, carpenters, we have a draftsman. 90% of all the machineries that we use, they're new from Felder. We have currently 2 CNC machines, we have a beam saw, we have a large edgebander. We invested quite a lot of money for the last 3 to 4 years in terms of machinery, which basically help us to grow the business as well. With new machines and technology, we're able to speed up the manufacture process. In that sense, basically to take on board more projects. We never turn down a job. So basically whatever inquiry comes, we always try to accommodate that. So there are times that we work on like 15, 20 projects. And because of the nature of the work and the bespoke type of work we do, we have to react quite quickly. So new machines and new technology help us to complete projects on time. None of us had ever actually been involved in any CNC work. So the training what we received from Felder for the CNC operator was amazing. So at the moment, he's quite confident of what he's doing. We started with a couple of panel saws, and the owner of the company established like a really good relationship with your sales representative. We know the people, we know the customer service, we know the support what we can get from that company, and machinery being such an important part for the business, having everything from one company for us works. I mean, we never had any complaints about the service what we get so far from Felder. We know that you guys are always there for us, and whatever issue we have, we can just phone up and just deal with that.